In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate discount percentage in Excel. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along easily, even if you're fairly new to Excel. Calculating a discount percentage is useful when you want to compare an original price to a reduced price and quickly see how much was taken off in percentage terms. First, open your Excel file. You can use an existing spreadsheet or start with a blank one if you just want to practice the formula. The important thing is to have a worksheet ready where you can enter your values. Next, add your values into two separate cells. In one cell, type the original price, and in another cell, type the discounted price. For example, you might enter 1,000 as the original price and 800 as the discounted price. Keeping these values in separate cells makes the calculation easier and also lets you reuse the formula later with different numbers. After that, click on an empty cell where you want the result to appear. This is where Excel will calculate the discount percentage for you. In that empty cell, type the formula that subtracts the discounted price from the original price and then divides the result by the original price. In other words, the formula is equals, open parenthesis, original price, cell minus discounted price cell, close parenthesis, divided by the original price cell. Using the example values of 1,000 and 800, once you press enter, Excel will return 0.2. That result is correct, but right now it's shown as a decimal. Since discount is usually easier to understand as a percentage, the next step is to change the formatting. To do that, go to the Home tab and click Format. This opens a panel on the right side. In that panel, make sure you are on the Number tab. Then find the drop-down menu, click it, and choose Percentage. As soon as you do that, the value changes from 0.2 to 20%, which is the discount percentage. A helpful tip here is to remember what the formula is doing. It's finding how much was reduced, then comparing that reduction to the original price. That's why this method works so well for sales prices, promotions, and price comparisons. And that's it. Once you know this formula, you can quickly calculate discount percentages in Excel anytime you need them.